You are known for telling powerful stories. So, any plans of doing a Tollywood film or joining Tollywood anytime soon?
I would love to. If stars align and at the right project, why not? I'd love to.
How do you pick stories that you want to produce or you want to make? How do you choose the correct script?
It's deeply intuitional. It's something that speaks to me and my life experiences. Yeah, it's really deeply intuitional.
Hello and welcome back to the New Indian Express. Today we have with us the Oscar-winning producer Guneet Monga. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so tell us, how do you feel being in Hyderabad for this event?
You know, just looking at so many women welcoming me, and I'm excited to get into the event. It's actually very empowering to be here for the Young Women's FICCI event. Yeah.
What are you looking forward for the most?
Lots of interactions and also knowing their stories.
Amazing. Any favorite food from Hyderabad?
Everything. Biryani, for lack of better word, but anything. I was so excited to see Dakshina and so in the hotel where we are. So yeah, maybe tonight.
You are known for telling powerful stories. So, any plans of doing a Tollywood film or joining Tollywood anytime soon?
I would love to. If stars align and at the right project, why not? I'd love to.
Amazing. Since you've been in the industry for a very long time, can you tell us how did it all start? Like, what inspired you to get into movies?
I love telling stories. I went to a mass communication college and just found my love of telling stories. And from there, I was like, if you can tell this on a bigger screen and inspire hundreds of people around the world, you know, it's a magical profession to be in, and that's where I got started.
So, what were some of the challenges that you faced, while starting onto the journey, and how did you overcome them?
Lots of challenges, you know, being young, people don't take you seriously, raising money, execution of very large projects, sales, marketing, the whole process work of it. There is one aspect which is logistics, there is one aspect which is creatives. Everywhere to, you know, find your voice and to be able to be heard was a challenge. But slowly, I think all we can do is work, put our head down and work, and then our work speaks louder than any words. So slowly it added up for me.
So, how do you pick stories that you want to produce or you want to make? How do you choose the correct script?
It's deeply intuitional. It's something that speaks to me and my life experiences. Yeah, it's really deeply intuitional.
Okay. What is your creative process like?
Depends. For scripts,
Yeah.
again, to read something and to be able to personally connect with it, and also to understand what I can do with it as a producer. I'm a producer. I sit between equity and the arts. Um, it's one aspect to find something and like something, and then it's the other aspect of what will my journey be on this project and how can I elevate it? What can I do to add value to it? And that is what matters to me in a wholesome. And also then the relationship and the connection with the director, because it's 2-3 years down work, you know, so it's important for that relationship to also be healthy, and you know, everybody takes each other's feedback. There's no straight answer to this. It's many things put together.
Let's talk about the Oscar-winning documentary, The Elephant Whisperers. How did you feel in that very moment? What was
Surreal.
going on in your mind?
Surreal. And also to see my director Karthikeyan Gonzalez to be a first time director and to win an Oscar with me, it was just, everything was surreal.
So you have done many films. You have been a part of many projects. One favorite memory that is really close to your heart, apart from Elephant Whisperers?
My parents watching my first film, Say Salam India,
Oh,
because they never then saw the next film. So for them to watch my first film it will always be very special.
is there a dream project or collaboration that you're still waiting for? It to
Many. There are so
Example?
many.
One of them.
If I'm here in Hyderabad, I would say Rajamouli sir. I would say Junior NTR. You know, I'm obsessed. And why not? So much more. Yeah.
Absolutely. What advice would you give to young people who want to get into the film industry but are very hesitant?
Get started. It's a beautiful place to be in. There is no, it's work, intern, be open to internships, work in good offices, and you will grow.
As a woman producer in a male dominated space, what barriers have you broken and you feel some barriers that still need to be worked on?
I think just to be taken seriously, you know. My work allowed me to be taken seriously. Of course, the awards helped, but it's a constant to negotiate your space on the table.
So, what are you doing when you're not surrounded by films or thinking about films?
Sleeping, catching up on sleep, watching films. Yeah.
What has your recent favorite film been?
F1.
Ah, nice. Many people love it.
I just saw it, so that's why. Yeah.
Okay. What themes or genres in the future you're willing to explore that you feel you haven't tapped into
As a
much?
producer, I'm genre agnostic. So when people said that I've only done dramas and can't do action, we did Kill, which recently came out. So I'm genre exhausting. Agnostic. So for me, everything. Horror, thriller, adventure, animation, why not?
Amazing. Future projects.
We just have a spy comedy, an action spy comedy with Ayushmann Khurrana and Sara Ali Khan, directed by Akash Kaushik. That is coming up. We're also doing a documentary, and at Sikha Entertainment, we have a full lineup of many more things happening. Yeah.
Amazing. A quick rapid fire for you.
Okay.
First film that made you cry.
Oh, I cry in every film.
First film that you remember.
Gadar.
Okay. A director that you'd love to work with next.
I'd love to work with. There's so many.
Top 3 that pop in your head. Names.
Rajamouli sir, of course. Imtiaz Ali. I would say Karthik Subbaraj.
Amazing. Your all-time comfort food.
Khichdi.
Okay. Go-to song when you're stressed.
Any of the Arijit Rahman songs. Arijit songs or Rahman sir songs.
Okay. Favorite movie, like a comfort movie that you really like binge watching again and again.
DDLJ. Hopeless Romantic.
Are you a hopeless romantic?
Absolutely.
We can see that in the films. Dream location. What is your favorite dream location? Where you
Location.
want to shoot?
Oh, where I want to shoot? I would love to shoot in New Zealand.
Ah. If not a producer, you would be a...
I would be in social service.
Okay. What's always in your handbag on shoot days?
Protein bar.
Okay. If a film was to be made on your life, what would the title be?
Hustle Queen.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay.